in this challenge of climate change, the President of the Republic of Kenya thought it fit to give this burden to two ladies. One is your own daughter here, Soipan Tuya, who is responsible for matters of environment. The second is Alice Wahome, who is here and is responsible for water and irrigation. So I don't know whether it was a coincidence by the President or design. But what is important is that the whole ecosystem of environmental protection has been placed in the capable hands of two distinguished ladies in our country. I can truly say that Mama Alice Wahome is justified to be called Mama Maji. And Soipan Tuya will be justified to be called Mama Mazingira. So together, in support with the President, we should be able to really champion the need to save our globe through the climate change initiatives, as has been stated before. You may have seen that this climate change is creating all sorts of things. Right now, if you are a follower of news, you will notice that in Hawaii, because of climate change, wildfires, just from nowhere, have completely destroyed a city. Wildfires, because of the climate change that is taking place. We have seen flooding where we should never have seen flooding. Cities like Beijing have been flooded. We are seeing